welcome to today's video. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining this community. My name is Amy, and the white dog is Gracie Poo, and then the brown dog is Brownie. So yes, they definitely keep me busy. I just tidied up the living room, washed the seat cushions, and honestly, it wasn't that challenging, but the lumpiness. The first cushion was so hard, I was trying to navigate it. And the second cushion was much faster and much easier and laid out beautifully. So I definitely need to go back and fix the first cushion. But yeah, for the most part, it came out all right. Cozy. So since we are in warm, cozy vibes, because fall is around the corner, guys, and I'm so excited. So I wanted to bring you guys a one-pot meal. This is an Instant Pot meal. It's super simple, quick, and to the point. Chopping up onion, cutting up a lime. You can use a lemon, whatever you prefer. And yeah, we're just gonna do everything in this one-stop shop, okay? One-pot meal. I have my onions, I have minced garlic, buffalo sauce. I do have a different type of sauce you'll see in the little container. I got that extra on the side when I went to Longhorn Steakhouse, and I love their appetizer wings. If you haven't tried it, they're so good. It's spicy, but so delicious. And so, yeah, by the way, you guys see me. Oh man, I have a cut on my finger, and of course, I get it inside the Band-Aid somehow. So it burned, it hurt, it stung. We handled it though like a champ, and we're gonna keep pushing on, okay? Had to take my Band-Aid off because the burning was just so bad. So yeah, here's a tip. Do not get lime juice or hot sauce in your cut. Later on, I put on some gloves, but I don't even know if you can see. The camera wasn't focusing, and it's hard to see because it's like a deeper cut, so it's covered with a little piece of skin. Anyways, I added water to the onion so that they could kind of saute with the water and they weren't sticking. Minced garlic, and lime juice. So that's what we have so far. Seasoning wise, because of the hot sauces, they're already flavored. All I did was some sea salt and black pepper. I added milk. Some recipes you add milk, some recipes recommend cream cheese. Honestly, there's variations to this. Do what you feel is best. So I wanted less fat. And I really wanted to control, for me, my macros or maybe calories. If you are trying to kind of be careful about that, cream cheese would have just been a little bit too much for me. But again, you can alter this. You can change this. I love the recipes like this because it's so adaptable and diverse, and you can really make it to your taste buds and to your nutrition goals. So here I'm just putting on some gloves. I'm doing a voiceover just because it's easier. There was so much going on in the audio, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover over that. But we have kitchen gloves. Moving on to chicken. I love Farm Focus chicken. This brand, I've always gotten quality chicken, and so I did 2 of these. They are pre-cut. They're already cleaned up because they're chicken tenders, versus just the bigger chicken breast, which I do have to clean up or cut into smaller cubes. And just fun fact, if you want to save on time, you can do the tenders, and it's still the same thing. It's just done for you. So yeah, this is me just kind of checking the consistency, seeing does it need more hot sauce, less milk, more milk. I don't know. We're just trying to figure it out. And of course, my phone dies. Out of all the timings, my phone died, and I didn't show you guys when I added the cheese and broccoli, but I did. Here's the final results. It turned out so good. I definitely should have added more hot sauce, but again, that's something you can add to your bowl. You can't take away, remember that, but you can add. So enjoy with blue corn tortilla chips. This is a perfect fall meal. My cozy pajamas on. I threw this flannel over because it got cold, and some warm socks. This is a work from home life.